A full 40-question English quiz from B2 to C2. Can you beat the challenge? What does a hard nut to crack mean? Answer B. Difficult case. What does bend someone's ear mean? Answer C. Talk too much. Which is a synonym of sing? Answer A. Chant. Choose a synonym for sister. Answer B. Sibling. What is the antonym of convey? Answer D. Suppress. Opposite of annul. Answer C. Validate. Choose the correct plural form of economy. Answer B. Economies. What is the plural form of criterion? Answer D. Criteria. What word best completes the sentence? Answer A. He went on explaining about his plans. Which option correctly fills the gap? Answer C. Had I followed the instructions, I would not have erred. Fill in the blank with the correct option. Answer D. I said I would have finished the project by Friday. Form the past simple of smite. Answer B. Smote. What is the past simple form of rebuild? Answer D. Rebuilt. Which option is spelled correctly? Answer A. Correction. Which spelling is correct? Answer C. Genuinely. Find the correct spelling. Answer B. Celebrate. Pick the opposite of admonish. Answer C. Praise. What is the opposite of ambition? Answer B. Complacency. Opposite of constraint. Answer A. Liberation. Which is a synonym of wide? Answer C. Broad. Choose a synonym for wonder. Answer D. Marvel. What word is closest to wealthy? Answer A. Affluent. What is the bottom line? Answer B, main point. What does box clever mean? Answer D, act smart. What does blow hot and cold mean? Answer A, waver. Form the past simple of rive. Answer C, rived. Choose the correct past form of gird. Answer D, girded. What is the past tense of sting? Answer A, stung. What is the past simple form of weep? Answer B, wept. Choose the correct plural form of complexity. Answer A, complexities. What is the correct plural of industry? Answer C, industries. Choose the correct plural form of testimony. Answer B, testimonies. What is the plural of supply? Answer D, supplies. Fill the gap. Answer C, we have many options to choose from. Can you guess the missing word? Answer A, the deployment of the software saved significant time. What word best completes the sentence? Answer C, she enjoys learning new skills. Almost there, just 4 questions left. Which spelling is correct? Answer D, criticism. Which option is spelled correctly? Answer B, philosophical. Which spelling is correct? Answer D, exclusively. Which option is spelled correctly? Answer A, prevent. How many did you get right? Which question was hardest? Drop it in the comments and subscribe.